Hey YouTube family and GN subs, hope you're doing well, and we are off to the races. The immigration attorneys here in the United States already fighting and batting 1,000 big time. A lot of the unlawful executive orders that have been signed by the current administration, they are being struck down as we speak. We're going to keep you updated on all of this because this is important to know your rights, as these cases are coming to fruition in the courts. And as we know, we immigration lawyers are your front line defense right now, okay? And I'm gonna give you some good examples of that in this video. A lot to get to here, a lot to unpack. And for those of you who are new to the channel, my name is Humberto R, attorney here in Los Angeles. And what I do is give you good news. You may think everything is bad news right now. It is not. This litigation that's going down, folks, good stuff. We are winning, and we will be winning throughout the year, throughout the next 3 years, 4 years. We are going to win. You'll see, because this administration is just not prepared. They're not prepared. They're doing things unlawful, illegally, unlawful, etc. And I'll give you some great examples. Let's get at it. All right, one of the first executive orders that has been struck down, a temporary restraining order against the executive order on day one, is a case out of Seattle, Washington. All of you are probably familiar with the attempt to restrict the Constitution, which is clear, that says if you are born in the U.S., you are a U.S. citizen. Birthright citizenship, it is constitutional, 14th Amendment, folks. It is so clear. And the first executive order trying to restrict birthright citizenship, struck down by the courts. And I put a link in the description box below. Check out what the judge said. He's never, ever seen anything that is so clear as those who were born in the U.S. or U.S. citizens, regardless of your parents' status, etc. And the judge was he couldn't believe that this was one of the first attempts that the current administration tried to do. So if you have a child that is born in the U.S. and you may not be of legal status, you go get that passport right away. Do not wait. That child is a U.S. citizen. It is clear from the Constitution. And this is just the first of many that we're going to see over the next several months, weeks, etc. And again, I'm going to keep you updated on the top issues that we're litigating and we're fighting for, all right? All right, so I got to give a shout out. The one attorney in the U.S. who is amazing, her name is Skye Perryman, and her organization is Democracy Forward. She is one of those frontline attorneys. She is a badass. She is ready. She's already filed lawsuits. If you go to democracy2025.org, you're going to see all the list of cases where there is legal action currently taking place. This is good stuff, folks. I get so excited. She has an organization that I told you, Democracy Forward. I put a link in the description box below. She is a nonprofit, right? She doesn't represent clients for money. So please, I think it's really important that you donate to this organization. Go to the website, see what they do, see what's happening, folks. I mean, she is a badass. Check her out on YouTube. She's done some incredible interviews, podcasts, etc. See what she does, and she is our front line. She is going for it. She is protecting us. She's protecting democracy. Really important, right? That you have to protect us from unlawful acts of any administration, but certainly the current administration. So we're off to the races, folks. All right, another bit of good news. USCIS is currently waiving COVID-19 vaccination requirements, so you no longer have to do those. I've had several clients, they've been, do we still need to get the vaccination? I don't want to get the vaccination, etc. Well, it's over with. Both State Department and USCIS, DHS no longer need vaccination requirements. I guess COVID is gone, folks, and that's a bit of good news. All righty, we got a showdown here in California. We have a law that's Bill 54. Bill 54 says that our local law enforcement of the state can't be involved in immigration. They can't be involved in assisting ICE in apprehensions of those who might be unlawful in the United States. It's been around since 2017, and we here in California take it seriously, right? So Currently, there is a mandate from the administration that local law enforcement assist ICE in many endeavors of apprehension. It's going to be a showdown, folks. This is one of the first ones. We're going to see what happens. I'm sure our Attorney General here in California will file suit against the administration, and it's going down, folks. And we're going to see through litigation exactly what happens and who's going to win. All right. Hey, thanks so much for watching GrayLaw TV. Go to my content, folks. I got good stuff for free. Learn about immigration law. Click below, like and subscribe. I'm getting ever closer to 100,000 subscribers, and I appreciate you, my good news GN subs, and we'll see you next time.